I wish I knew this before. It's not exactly blazer. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So for all those who do not know me, this is Mansi Rudwani. I create fashion related videos in order to help women out there who are in the process of building their capsule wardrobe. So let's quickly begin with today's video. In today's episode, we are going to talk about some tips and tricks जो कि instantly आपके office outfits को elevate कर देगा. I wish I knew this before, but it's never really too late. So let me quickly share it with you all and let's begin with today's video. So for the first look, we are going with monochrome look. Monochrome look में ऐसा क्या है? ये तो हम ऐसे भी create करते हैं. But usually हम शर्ट और फॉर्मल ट्राउजर्स के साथ जाते हैं या फिर हम फॉर्मल टॉप और टेलर ट्राउजर्स के साथ जाते हैं या फिर अगर उससे भी एक स्टेप हाई करना है तो मे बी वी विल गो विद द यूजुअल टैंक टॉप टेलर ट्राउजर्स प्लस ब्लेजर्स. But for this look, I have chosen something else. As you can see in this video, I have gone with this black trousers, which is a high-waisted trousers and is also wide leg at the same time. Very comfortable in nature. And further, I have paired it up with a black tank top, which is cropped in nature. So obviously, ये professional नहीं लग रहा है. मुझे कुछ तो इसमें elements add करना होगा in order to make it professional. So for that, I have decided to go with this वेस्ट ब्लेजर. अब सिंस ये एक ऐसा लेयर है जो कि इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली ब्लेजर बट इट्स गिविंग दैट ब्लेजर वाइब ऑल्सो. प्रोफेशनलिज्म भी इंटैक्ट है अपनी जगह. इट्स लुकिंग वेरी स्मार्ट, स्टाइलिश, ऑथोरिटेटिव लग रहा है, वेरी प्रोफेशनल. एंड आई सिंपली थिंक कि दिस ब्लेजर हैज totally elevated this look in itself. Further, I have styled it with golden jewelry such as golden statement studs, some rings, a watch, and further have also added white pump shoes and this black bag, which itself gives a very statement vibe and is also very spacious at the same time. So here's the first look of the video. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि इससे ज़्यादा और मैं इस look को कैसे elevate कर सकती हूँ. मतलब just look at that look. It's totally giving that boss lady vibe. I literally love this look. Let me know how did you like it. So let's move on to the second look. Now let's talk about look number 2. So for this one, I thought of going with this top which has got subtle prints and is a formal top actually. As you can see, the neckline of the top is also a bit high, and also look at the detailing of the sleeves. It has got that puffness around the arms, but it's not exactly puff, and it's quarter in sleeves, which in itself is looking very professional. अब बात करते हैं इस look को कैसे elevate करेंगे. Instead of pairing it with usual tailored trousers or maybe denims, I thought of going with skirt this time. अब मैंने यहाँ पे एक black midi skirt के साथ top को pair up किया है, which in itself gives a very professional vibe. और एट द सेम टाइम ये बहुत डिफरेंट लग रहा है क्योंकि टेलर ट्राउजर्स के साथ तो ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोना पेयर इट अप एनीहाउ, बट व्हेन पेयर्ड इट अप विद अ स्कर्ट इट ऑल टुगेदर गिव्स वेरी डिफरेंट वाइब एंड इट लुक्स वेरी यूनिक. आई थिंक इट्स अ मस्ट ट्राई आउटफिट बिकॉज यूजुअली हम बियॉन्ड ट्राउजर्स या डेनिम्स के नहीं सोच पाते हैं. रादर वी शुड इंक्लूड स्कर्ट्स प्रोवाइडेड कि ये सारी चीजें आपके ऑफिस ड्रेस कोड में इंक्लूडेड हो. Along with that, for accessorizing, I thought of going with golden jewelries, of course, because you have to look elevated. So what could be a better option other than gold? I thought of adding this golden hoops along with a golden ring, a golden watch and a stag. Now I am completing the look with white pump shoes along with a black tote bag, which is very spacious and looks very statement at the same time. So look number 2 is here. Gives a totally professional vibe, looks stylish, looks elevated and put together. Now let's begin with look number 3. अब हम बात करेंगे Indian wear के बारे में. As you can see in this one, I chose this yellow colored kurta along with a pant. Now as you can see in this kurta, बहुत ही minimal detailing है. It's almost plain. It has button kind of detailings all around the kurta, which gives a very professional touch to this outfit. I have paired it up along with a yellow pant which comes along with this kurta only. Further, I have added this dupatta which also comes along with the set only. Now look at the detailing of the dupatta. The striped pattern itself looks very authoritative and classy. Like Indian wear आपके looks को इतना elevated बना सकता है, I had never imagined. But it's okay, let's start including it now so that we look one step ahead of our daily office looks. Further, for jewelries, I thought of adding tiny jhumkas because since we are talking about office outfits, so I have to keep it minimal. Other than that, I added an ethnic ring along with a watch. Now completing the look with this Kolhapuri chappal, which is not exactly Kolhapuri but gives that touch of Kolhapuri. And lastly, adding this black tote bag. So look number 3 is here. I don't know what to say about this one. You yourself tell me how did you like this look. I really loved it, and I'm looking forward to style some of the looks like that in future. Now let's move on to look number 4. So for this one, I tried to keep everything simple. So for this one, I thought of going with striped dress, which is different from all the other outfits I have created till now, because obviously ये एक तो very appropriate है for summer and at the same time very decent enough to carry for office. Other than that, it has got stripes which helps in elongating the height at the same time. So इतनी सारी चीजें अगर एक ही ड्रेस पे मिल रही है तो who would like to miss that thing, right? Also, do not miss its puffed sleeves because that is actually very eye-catching and is giving that extra professional touch to the outfit. Now, since हमें look elevate करना है, तो for this one, firstly, I thought of tying my hair into a ponytail to give that clean look. Now, for jewelries, I thought of adding golden jewelries such as golden statement studs, along with some rings, a watch. And lastly, I am completing the look with this white pump shoe, which is the star of the look, because ये look अपने आप में बहुत feminine and बहुत soft है. इस look को professional touch देने के लिए I decided to go with this white pump shoe, which instantly elevates the look and totally giving that boss looking vibe. Lastly, I am adding this black tote bag to combine things all together. So here's the 4th look of the day. I loved it because not only it is giving that professional vibe, but at the same time it is helping me in elongating my height. You tell me, how did you like it? Now let's quickly move on to the last look of the day, which is the 5th look. So इस look में हम एक coat set के साथ जा रहे हैं. For this one, I thought of going with mud colored pant, which is really flared at its bottom and is cotton in fabric, so it's very comfortable also. Now for the top, it's not the usual top look, it's actually a peplum top. So the top in itself is the elevated part of this outfit. And also do not miss the golden detailing which it has got around its neckline. It is giving that classy touch to the whole outfit. Also, it's a peplum top, so it's not a very usual coat set wala look. I literally loved it. Now coming back to accessorizing, so firstly I have added golden jewelries because it has got golden detailings. So have added golden statement earrings, some rings, a watch and a stack. Lastly, I have completed the look with white pump shoes and black tote bag. So yeah, here's the complete look. It altogether looks very stylish and gives that modish vibe. I totally loved it. Also, it's very simple and professional and authoritative, and there are too many adjectives which I can use around it. So I just love this look. Let me know your thoughts on it. With this, we come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it thoroughly, and also I hope you find this video helpful in some or the other way. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, you take care of yourself.